Hi, it's Mike with Itty Bitty Microphone here again, and we're going to do our popcorn grow. All right, we did soak this overnight. We just put it in there. We weigh it out for how many trays you needed. This is 2-tray grow, so we do it at 9.75 ounces times 2. So that got us to 19.5 ounces, and now we're going to spread it on the trays. They're already put together, water soaked on them and everything. If you want to, after you watch this video, you can go watch our tray making video and how we do this. So let's get into this. I take one heaping size scoop, and this is just an 8-ounce cup that we use. We put on here. So I took 1 ounce, we just divide it evenly, half, don't really weigh it out. And just gonna spread it on the tray. Do the same for the second one. And then I got that little bit left. I'm going to take about half of that, put on this tray, and then just pour the other half on that tray. There we go. And now we're just going to spread that out. Just want to spread it out as evenly as you can, and we'll show you that. All right, so that's how we seed our popcorn. As you can see, there's still some spots. You could get more popcorn in here, but we just find that this grows the best since it grows in complete darkness. You can play around with your seeding to see if you like. So after we get this done and seeded, we go ahead and water it. All right, got our spray nozzle here that we got, and we're gonna go ahead and use the shower mode. All right, the popcorn you want to give a pretty good soak to, because this does germinate for about 4 days, and we don't give it any water during that time frame. And then we just stack it top each other, and we put it in germination, and then we'll get it out. All right, we're here at the popcorn in the germination. It's been in germination for 4 days. This one you leave an extra day for germination on the popcorn, and we're going to take the brick off here. All right. That's the popcorn there. It looks sporadic, but it's actually really good germination for popcorn here. All these are smashed down, but they're going to pop up really, really fast. We're going to top water it before we put it into blackout. And it'll be there for 6 more days, and it'll be nice and tall. We don't water it after that. Just put it in blackout and then harvest it after 6 days. All right, we got the popcorns over in our blackout room. We made a little blackout room for it, just because we don't have the big domes for it. So this works out great. Just a nice sheeting and black it out. So we're gonna go ahead and water the popcorn. We top water this one. No bottom water on these. So you wanna give them a pretty good watering, because you're not going to water them again at all. And being here for 6 days, no water. You don't wanna look at them, open them up, touch them, do anything else, because you want to make these a nice yellow and don't want to get them green. If you get any light in them, they're going to turn green. And we'll show you the final products here. All right, we're here harvesting the popcorn shoots. As you can see, we're going to cut them straight off the tray into the packaging. Remember, we grow these in complete darkness, and then when you harvest these, you make sure they go into darkness or they will get green and bitter, and the customers will not like that. We got 6.9 ounces off of this tray. And make sure you check out our farm tour or a recommended video for you. We'll see you in the next one.